This video talks about how Kognetics can help you do value creation based on industry and competitive benchmarking for your company, prioritize the gaps, and identify bolt-on opportunities as well. We will conduct strategic gap analysis for your portfolio companies based on both industry trends and trends being set by competitors, and will also demonstrate how to discover potential bolt-on targets to expand your portfolio or fill the gaps. Let's see how we can do it. Go to Deal Sourcing for Private Equity. Click on Bolt-on Opportunities and select what are strategic gaps for a private equity portfolio firm based on convergence and transition trends in its target sector. Type in the PE name, for example, Cirrus Capital Group. Choose the PE portfolio company, company sector, convergence stage, and submit. Convergence is determined by an algorithm that looks at every company in the sub-industry for organic and inorganic growth trends, as well as technology partnerships to determine if two or more segments are converging into one. The result shows you gaps for the selected portfolio company, Premier Global Services. Let's carry out this analysis in Stack View. To find the emerging technology where the portfolio company is lagging behind, choose Converging Stage as mid, late, and very late stage, and keep the company industry as enterprise telephony. SIP trunking, soft phones, traditional PBX phone system are some of the lucrative segments. To do the competitive benchmarking for deriving portfolio gaps, go to Bolt-on Opportunities. Select what are strategic gaps for a private equity portfolio firm based on gap analysis versus closest competitors. Type in the PE name, choose the PE's portfolio company, company sector, company industry, competitors, and submit. The result summarizes portfolio company gaps as compared to its competitors. For the industry enterprise telephony, the sub-industry SIP trunking comes out as major competitor gap. You can also view this in a tabular or graphical view. Not just this, but if you want to find out the most critical gaps in an investor portfolio, irrespective of the sector and company, go to what are the most critical strategic gaps for all your portfolio companies. The results give a combined assessment of industry and competitive benchmarking and hence provide a prioritized gap analysis. For PGI, under Enterprise Telephony Industry, we have SIP trunking and VOW line phones as the prioritized gaps. Also, you can find out growth and due for exit companies in these gap segments. Through these 3 different gap analysis exercises, we can conclude that SIP trunking comes out as the most prominent strategic gap in PGI's portfolio. Hope this was helpful. There is much more possible with Kognetics. Log on to www.kognetics.com.